So basically I have like 7 bits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so twice, so total are 14 roads. So uh, I have my brother in front playing me, so he'll start the game. So he's gonna like take any of the random pets from here, and yeah, I don't have a lot of these, so I'm using some of the peanuts. And the middle one is Kashi, so they have one seed, like one seed in each pit. So yeah, so yeah, so it is his choice that whether he's gonna try to put it out in like in clockwise or anti-clockwise. So either he has to put one seed each like this. So here, here, here. So he chose this at the anti-clockwise. So yeah. So uh, now he like his every seed he put has been done. So if he has next seeds in the next pit, so he'll even also collect those and do the same as the remaining like he did in the first time. So yeah. Sowing on Kashi, right? So when his sowing has been done inside Kashi, so at that time his chance is gone. So it's now my turn. I can choose any of these pits. So I'm choosing this one right now here. Shit, I cannot finish. अरे जरा तेरा भाई. So now, okay. So here he got here he got 4 seats. So these are captured by him since these are number 4. So this करेगा unique है like low pattern. Since there are 4, so these are captured by him, and he stopped at right he's got a same. Since he stopped here, he will be like collecting the next seeds and keep sowing. And but he got 4 seeds from here. So continue. Yeah, those you keep it to yourself. Yeah. This is going to be a lengthy video because Vamana is actually like same malli. ఇది తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ నెక్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కది. Yeah, so this game is actually like a little bit lengthy, so you have to have a lot of patience because it's a lengthy game. Because since we are playing with 12 seats, usually other games are played with 5. Usually other games are played with like with 5, 6, 7 seats, but for Vamanaguntal we play with 12 seats in my region, so it's gonna take time, but yeah. No, so here you got 4 seats, right? So I'm giving this to you. Yeah, those are okay. You got 5. Okay, you have 5. Sorry. So like even if you miss, like if you put extra, those won't be getting to you. You have to like collect it exactly at when you have 4 seats. Now again Kashi, right? Wait, this is Kashi. This is the middle pit. So now it's my turn. I choose this pit. I choose this pit. Like, can you play this for me? Yeah. I'm doing this because I'm holding the camera and it's very difficult for me to hold the camera while playing. So I'm letting him play by my side. So it ended right here. So since his next pit is empty, so the seeds which are next to the next are his. So yeah, so these are yours. Now it's since he collected his seed, now it's my choice again, and I want to play these. You you got like collect. So it's on Kashi again. No, no. You put the next. So collect the next one again. Like,
It's on Kashi, right?
no, but like if your next one, like since, so if your seed you put it here and next one is Kashi, then your game stops. But if you put it in Kashi, it still gets continued. So you put it here, so it will still get continued. Like so. So so the next one is empty, right? So you have to look out what is the next pit, to this, like So if this pit is empty, you have to look the next pit. If that is empty, then your chances, if that is not empty, then those seats which are in present in that pit, those seats are again yours, right? So you have two seats on here, so these two seats are yours. So again, it's my turn. So I have only these here. So I'm playing. I'm choosing this. So here, and next one is here, and next this, and yeah, all these are empty, so I can't play. But I have four seats here, so these are mine now. Since I had no seats in the next, right, so I wasn't able to play. So now again, it's your chance. The next one is Kashi. So again, my game ends here. So my game ends here. So it's your play again. So it's again. So it's now my game, right? So yeah, it's my game now. So I'm choosing this and these three. Yeah, I'll play. Since these are less. Two, three. I'll take these three. These were yours, but you didn't collect them. These are yours, but you didn't collect them. So I still keep can't like I'll still play, if you don't collect them, right? One, two, three, four, and um, yeah. So this goes here, and so this piece empty. Like I put a seed here, so this piece is empty. So the next three are mine, and also have this four seeds. So this is also mine. No, again it's your turn. So since we got this, and so now whatever seeds are present in this one, so at the end of the game, you'll have them. Yeah. So like, see, you had this, you have completed your showing at right here. So the next piece was empty. So next to next pick, whatever the coins are present, those are yours, right? So, but for Kashi, it will be given to you at the end, right? So after one iteration of game, that are given to you. Okay. So yeah. Um, so yeah, continue. So so your game was done. So it's my turn now again. So I'll so this is yours now. Since the next page was empty and you had coin like seed next year, so this one is yours now. So if okay, so I'm gonna take this here and see since I put my coin over here and my next page was empty and since okay this was done, so next pit was empty and I have coins in my what the next to next pit, right? So now even this is mine now. This pit is also mine since this kashi is mine. So at the end we'll be sharing both of these pits. Okay, we'll be sharing both of these pits. So yeah, now it's again your turn. Yeah. Okay, it's my turn again. No pit, so it's again your turn. So exactly after filling, I had like left two I have left. So I have filled whatever the seeds which I have left, and since we had like exactly 32, one it's already remained in this. So since we had like we can't distribute 31, so I also put another one. So that will be like total two seeds in here, and this was untouched. So this is not shared with anyone or someone like that. So yeah, so we have to do repeat the same thing again. So until unless so we have to repeat this. So this was one complete iteration of a game. So we have to again repeat this again, and we have to find it out. I mean, not find it out, but I mean just that we have to repeat this entire thing. And again, the game ends with like after like we have to do this multiple times, and how actually the game ends is like that uh, it depends upon the person that if the game is going very long. So if the other like since him and my brother like had like equal number of unplayable pits, so these pits are unplayable now, so these splits are not playable now, so no one actually put seeds in this, and it's our choice ki like whichever pit is I can choose as my whichever pit I can choose it unplayable. So it can be this or this or this, but not the this one. So it's up to us, and the loser and winner decides upon like it depends upon the player. Like if after every iteration, it's we can ask like that do you still want to play or not, since you have less unplayable, sorry, more unplayable pets